I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time.
Hi there, you lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Michelle. So let's not waste any time to get right into this gorgeous hair. This beauty is from UNiCE. Listen, as soon as I opened up this box, it was overflowing the goodness. So let me show you what I got in my box. First off is the satin dust bag that this color will always and forever eat. I love this fuchsia so much. It does things to me. I got a wig cap. I got this dual edge brush with the rat tail comb feature on the end. This cute elastic band for your edges. Pack of double-sided tape, which is great for installation if you don't want to deal with glues or gels. Okay, girl, just show us the wig. So she's a Jerry curly, but she's finger coiled on the ends, y'all. But here she is fresh out of the bag. She is pre-cut. She's a 7x5. The ear flap has been cut out. You can see that there's a strip of this anti-slip silicone material. It's all around the perimeter of the base of the wig. She comes with this elastic band that is removable and adjustable. 2 adjustable straps in the back, 1 nape comb. Here's a peek of the entire construction of the cap. And baby, these curls were engineered, all right? I don't know what they did in the lab, but you know those behind the scene videos that they show you the different textures of wigs and they show you sometimes how they put the curls in. I am so curious on how they did this. It was so much, y'all, I had to take a snack break. So I'm ready to put her on. You know, I got 2 braids that's underneath this wig cap. I just wanna go ahead and adjust this strap and plop her on my head. Do you see the sheer volume of hair? I don't think you understand. This is my dream. So she's 7x5, which means the lace is 7 inches across, 5 inches to the back. She's already been pre-bleached, pre-plucked, so we're saving time there. For a little bit of security, now you can wear this 100% glueless, but I'm gonna be using a little bit of spray. So I'm using a little alcohol just to clean up that area before I apply my lace spray. Just a couple of sprays, don't go crazy. So I'm gently pushing that lace into the melt spray. So I did it right this time. I'm gonna do my baby hairs before I use the mousse. What? The girl might be learning something. I'm using my favorite mousse. Listen, ladies, if you're looking for a mousse that gives hold, that gives shine, it has a cast because it does hold those curls, but it doesn't flake. This is you, boo. I love this mousse so much, not just for the shine and the luster it gives, but because it really does help that lace melt into my skin. I put on my elastic band, and as I'm sitting here playing in this gorgeous wig, I realized, baby, y'all can't see nothing. We're gonna have to change that. So I put on a different robe so you can really see the ends of this hair. I want y'all to see the finger coiliness. And that is so much better because you can really see it now. You see these you see how they bounce back? Usually you don't want to pull a curl out because it's gonna be frizzy, but that thing bounced right back, girl. You see that? The magic of this texture, it bounced right back with some water. Y'all, you needed some mousse, some patience, and a little finger love. Yeah, no, okay. My bad. So the curls that you're seeing are the curls that I put back and not the way that she came, all right? But that's okay. You know how to put these curls back was just to finger coil it myself. Now there's so many different techniques depending upon the outcome that you're looking for on how you want to finger coil. The next time I wear this wig, I want to try defining all the curls and then just taking like a clump of hair and then just making one giant finger coil at the bottom. I wonder how that would turn out. So I'm taking my time. I'm moving through section by section. I finally finished watching season 7 of Love Island because I know I'm mad late, listen, but I just been seeing some crazy things online, so I had to see what everybody was talking about. Hit it with my diffuser and baby, she is done. She is super dry. I know she still looks wet, but that's just the magic of this mousse. You see the shine that I'm trying to show you? The curls are popping, baby. This is 100% dry.
Let me know, no, no. I really thought that I knew. I really thought that I knew where I had ya.
So now it's time to work my magic. I went ahead and got changed. I removed this band. Y'all, the hairline. That came out so good. So natural. But I am gonna hit it up with a little bit of tint spray so I can get that melt, girl.
You make me feel like
I busted out my old favorite, my Luster's little shine spray.
the way your light shines is my
I got my good and long pick. I finally found it. I'm reaching deep into the mid-length of that hair only. Do not mess with your ends. You want to separate above the ends of your hair so you don't get frizz.
see something more, something more.
You can separate the ends of the curls for a little bit more volume, but baby, don't do this if your hair is not dry.
Snow in the spring.
So that's the versatility of this finger coil wig, because you saw how it looks dry, and now you see what it looks like wet after manipulation. So dry, you got the defined coils, and then wet, you have just the spiral perfection.
365, 24/7, I'll be fine.
It's something about Jerry curly texture that just gives goddess. You should be draped in gold, floating through a forest somewhere with like woodland creatures following you or something, singing something.
I need your time. It's been a little
But you see all this movement? You see all this action I got going on, this hang time? And this is dry, girl. Thank you, UNiCE, for sending me this gorgeous, like, when you go to the site and you look up the ends on this wig, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. She's so pretty. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video. Tell me what you think about it in the comments. I will talk to you guys later. I hope y'all have a blessed, safe week, and I'll catch you later. Bye!
just want your time.